Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chore and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 17, sorry, question number 18. 2 sum 2 input array is sorted means, okay, first of all, if my voice is echoing, I'm extremely sorry because in search of finding a good place to record, I found the good place, but now it's too much empty. So my voice is echoing maybe, so sorry for that. Well, this questions is this. You can read the problem statement. And this is a small code which I have already submitted, unfortunately, 16th October. And yeah, actually this is 6 millisecond, but best time is 2 millisecond. But, okay, fine. So this question says we just need to find return two indexes of the number which on sum gives the target number. So for that, I have just used map. Actually, I have submitted this question twice, actually thrice, with different approaches. In one approach, I have used map. In some another approach, actually, I have used second. Oh, now I don't have net here. Great. Leave it, whatever it may be. So, yeah, this is the question for today. And thank you. I will post more videos.